Dear students, my name is Ainur Yesbolova and I'm Associate Professor of Management and Marketing Department of II.5.Organizational South Kazakhstan University. Discipline is management, and one of theme of management we will discuss today, and this theme is organizational culture and structure. And organizational culture and structure are two fundamental elements that shape the functioning and success of any organizations. They influence how employees just interact, how work is performed, and how the organization adapts to change. And organizational culture refers to the shared values, beliefs, norms, and practices that characterize an organization. It influences employees' behavior, decision-making process, and the overall work environment. Key aspects of organizational culture include its core principles that guide the organization's action and decision, unwritten rules and expectation about how employees should behave, and physical manifestations of culture such as logos, office layout, dress code, and specific terms and phrases used within the organization, regular activities and events that reinforce the culture, narratives about its organization history, successes, and key figures that embody its values. And type of organizational culture is the power culture, role culture, task culture, and person culture. And we discuss its considered each types separately. And power culture is centralized power and decision making. Role culture it defines its roles and responsibilities with structured procedures. And task culture focuses on teamwork and completing specific tasks. And person culture is individual autonomy and personal expertise and valued. Impact of our culture on organizational behavior. Organizational culture has a profound impact on organizational behavior, influencing how employees interact, make decisions, and perform their work. And key ways in which culture affects organization behavior. It's employee motivation and engagement. It includes its alignment with values. When employees' personal value align with the organizational culture, they are more motivated and engaged. And next one is recognition and rewards. It's cultures that emphasize recognition and rewards for good performance can boost employee morale and motivator. And here just communication and collaboration, open with closed communication. It's a culture that promotes open communication, encourage information sharing and collaboration, while closed communication culture may hinder these behaviors. And teamwork, it's in cultures that value teamwork, employees are more likely to collaborate and support each other. And decision-making process, it's autonomy and hierarchical decision-making. And autonomy, it's a cultures that empower employees with autonomy in decision making can lead to more innovative and proactive behavior. And hierarchical decision making, it cultures with a strict hierarchy. Decision making is typically it's top down, which can affect responsiveness and flexibility. And here just we consider the conflict resolution. It consists of collaborative culture and competitive culture. And first is the cultures that emphasize collaboration and respect tend to handle conflict constructively. And competitive culture, in competitive culture, conflicts may be more frequent and harder to resolve. And here just adaptability and change management. And flexible culture, it's organization with a flexible culture are more adaptable to change, encouraging employees to be open to new ideas and methods. And resistant to change, it just rigid cultures, employees and may resist change, leading to stagnation and decreased innovation. And ethical behavior and compliance, here just cultures that prioritize just ethical behavior and integrity influence employees to act ethically and comply just with regulation and standards. And unethical culture, it's in cultures where unethical behavior is tolerated or even rewarded, employees are more likely to engage in misconduct. And here just the employee retention and turnover. It consists of positive culture and negative culture. And positive is positive and supportive culture enhance employee satisfaction, leading to higher retention rates. And the toxic culture can lead to high employees turnover, absenteeism, and low job satisfaction. And job performance and productivity. Supportive environment culture that provides support and resources for employees and contribute to higher job performance and productivity. And here just stressful environments, high pressure cultures can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. And learning and development, here just the learning cultures that value continuous learning and development, encourage employees to acquire new skills and knowledge. Stagnant culture in cultures that don't prioritize just development, employees may lack opportunities for growth, leading to skill gaps. And here just innovation and creativity. Innovative cultures that encourage risk-taking and creative thinking, foster innovation and new ideas. And here just conservative culture. In conservative cultures, employees may be less likely to propose new ideas and hindering innovations. And here just understanding the impact of organizational culture on behavior helps leader create a positive work environment that aligns with the organization goals and values. By fostering a supportive and adaptive culture, organization can enhance employee well-being, productivity, and overall success. And we just now discussed about its organizational structure. And organizational structure defines just how tasks are divided, coordinated, and supervised to achieve organizational goals. It influences communication patterns, decision-making process, and the efficiency of operations. And key elements of organizational structure include its hierarchy, its arrangement of individuals within the organization according to levels of authority. And just how tasks and responsibilities are distributed among employees. And span of control, that is the number of subordinates, managers, supervisors. And centralization with decentralization, it's the degree to which decision making is concentrated at the top versus distributed just throughout the organization. And formalization, the extent to which rules, procedures, and communication are written and standardized. And here just the common types of organizational structures: the functional structure, division, matrix, flat structure, and network structure. And first one is divides its organization based on specialized function. And next one is divides the organization based on products and services. Matrix structure is a combined functional and divisional structures with employees reporting to multiple managers. Flat structure is few hierarchical levels, promoting broad span of control and greater employee autonomy. And network structure is a more flexible structure with a central core and various outsourced functions. And the relationship between culture and structure, it's well-aligned culture and structures can enhance efficiency, employee satisfaction, and overall organizational effectiveness. An adaptable culture can help an organization modify its structure in response to changing environments, and misalignment between culture and structure can lead to conflict, reduced morale, and inefficiencies. And here just managing culture diversity is essential for organization in today's globalized world. Effective diversity management can lead to increased creativity, innovation, and competitive advantage, while poor management can result in misunderstandings, conflicts, and decreased productivity. And here just strategies for managing culture diversity: it's a leadership commitment. Top-down support ensures that leadership is committed to diversity and inclusion and communicates its importance just throughout the organization. And role models, it means that the leaders should act as role models by demonstrating inclusive behavior and promoting diversity initiatives. And next one is the inclusive policies and practices. Equal opportunity policies, it implement and enforce policies that ensure equal opportunities for all employees, and regardless of their culture background. and use unbiased recruitment and selection process to attract diverse talent. And here just culture and awareness and sensitivity training. Its education programs provide training programs that raise awareness about its culture difference and promote sensitivity and respect. And ongoing development offer continuous learning opportunities to deepen employees' understanding of culture and diversity. And diverse teams and inclusive environments. It's a team composition and inclusive practices. We can consider just create diverse teams that bring various perspectives and ideas to the table. It's team composition and inclusive practices foster an inclusive work environment where all employees feel valued and respected. And effective communication, it's a clear communication, encourage clear and open communication to prevent misunderstanding and promote collaboration. And the employee resource groups, it's just establish employee resource group to support employees from different cultural background and provide a platform for network and professional development. And here just understanding and strategically managing both culture and structure is crucial for leaders aiming to drive organizational success and foster positive work environment. Here just organizational culture and structure and are integral to the functioning and success of any organization, while just culture encompasses the shared values, beliefs and practices that shape the work environment and influence employee behavior. Structure defines just the formal arrangement of roles, responsibility and communications pathways. Thank you for your attention.